Ever wondered why Surya Namaskar, also known as Sun Salutations, is considered one of the best exercises for overall health? Well, this ancient practice has its roots deeply embedded in the Indian tradition and is revered for its holistic approach to wellness. It's a sequence of yoga postures, perfectly synchronized with the rhythm of your breath, representing the sun's journey across the sky each day. Surya Namaskar is a harmonious blend of physical, mental, and spiritual elements. Each pose is a symbol of gratitude and reverence towards the sun, our primary source of life-giving energy. The ritual, when practiced at sunrise, invigorates the body, enhances flexibility, and fosters mental clarity. But it's not merely about the physical benefits. Surya Namaskar aligns the practitioner with the cosmic rhythm, fostering a meditative flow that brings about balance and well-being. So you see, it's not just an exercise, but a ritual that promotes balance and well-being. Now, dive into the steps that make up the Surya Namaskar sequence. We begin with the prayer pose. Stand at the edge of your mat, your feet together. Bring your palms together in front of your chest with your thumbs resting gently on your sternum. Here, take a moment to ground yourself, breathing in and out slowly. Next, transition into the raised arms pose. As you inhale, stretch your arms upward, reaching towards the sky. Let your back arch slightly, maintaining the connection between your biceps and your ears. Feel the stretch along your abdomen, the energizing of your body. As you exhale, move into the hand-to-foot pose. Bend forward from your waist, reaching down to touch the floor beside your feet. Keep your spine as straight as possible, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings, your back releasing tension. With your next inhalation, step into the equestrian pose. Take your right leg back, letting your knee touch the floor. Look up, arching your back slightly. Feel the opening in your chest, the stretch in your thighs. Exhale and transition into the stick pose. Bring your left leg back to meet the right, aligning your body into a straight line, like a plank. Feel the strength in your arms, your core engaged. Now we move to the salute with 8 parts. Gently lower your knees, then your chest, and finally your chin to the floor, keeping your hips slightly raised. This pose helps in strengthening the arms and shoulders, while opening the chest and the front of the body. Inhale and glide into the cobra pose. Slide forward, raising your chest and head off the mat. Keep your elbows slightly bent, feeling the stretch in your back and the opening of your chest. Exhale and move into the mountain pose. Lift your hips and tailbone, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your heels grounded, feeling the stretch in your calves and hamstrings. With your next inhalation, return to the equestrian pose. Bring your right foot forward, placing it between your hands. Look up, gently arching your back, opening your chest and abdomen. As you exhale, step into the hand-to-foot pose again. Bring your left foot forward to meet the right. Keep your palms on the floor, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Inhale, rise up and return to the raised arms pose. Reach your arms overhead, arching your back slightly. Feel the stretch along your abdomen, the revitalizing of your body. Finally, exhale and return to the prayer pose. Bring your palms together in front of your chest, standing tall and relaxed. Here, take a moment to feel the flow of energy through your body, the calmness in your mind. Repeat this sequence as many times as you wish, aligning your movements with your breath. Remember, the practice of Surya Namaskar is not just about the physical postures, but also about the synchronization of breath with movement, the awareness of your body and mind, and the cultivation of inner peace. And that concludes the Surya Namaskar sequence, a holistic exercise that integrates the body, mind, and spirit. What makes Surya Namaskar a comprehensive exercise? It's the multitude of health benefits it offers. Let's delve into these benefits one by one. Firstly, Surya Namaskar is a boon for cardiovascular health. The dynamic nature of this ancient practice improves blood circulation throughout the body. This enhanced circulation is a major contributor to heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and keeping your heart robust and strong. Next, we have weight management. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar helps in burning calories. The continual flow of movements combined with the correct breathing techniques aids in weight loss and maintaining a healthy body mass index. So if you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain your current weight, Surya Namaskar might just be the practice for you. One of the most recognized benefits of Surya Namaskar is improved flexibility. The sequence involves a variety of stretches that promote flexibility in the spine, limbs, and joints. Regular practice can reduce the risk of injuries and enhance your overall physical agility. But it's not just about flexibility. Surya Namaskar also contributes to muscle strength and endurance. Different poses target various muscle groups from your arms, back, and core to your legs. This full body engagement helps to tone and strengthen muscles, enhancing your physical strength and endurance. Moving to the inner workings of your body, Surya Namaskar can stimulate your digestive system. This promotion of efficient functioning of your digestive organs can help prevent common digestive issues, ensuring that your body's nutrient absorption and waste elimination processes are running smoothly. Breathing is an integral part of Surya Namaskar, and it's no surprise that it can enhance respiratory function. The coordination of breath with movement improves lung capacity and oxygenation. This increased oxygenation benefits all your body's systems, enhancing overall health and vitality. But Surya Namaskar isn't just about physical benefits. The meditative aspect of this practice has a calming effect on the mind, helping to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. As you move through the poses, focusing on your breath, you'll likely find a sense of tranquility and clarity that can help you navigate the stresses of daily life. Posture is another area where Surya Namaskar shines. The practice encourages awareness of body alignment, promoting good posture and reducing strain on the spine and supporting muscles. Over time, you may find yourself standing taller and experiencing less back and neck strain. Finally, the regular practice of Surya Namaskar can help regulate hormonal balance. This is particularly beneficial for women, as hormonal balance is crucial to various aspects of health, from mood to menstrual health and even skin condition. So the practice of Surya Namaskar is not just a physical exercise, but a comprehensive health-enhancing ritual. Whether you're looking to enhance your physical strength and flexibility, improve your digestion and respiratory function, reduce stress, or balance your hormones, Surya Namaskar has something to offer. By embracing this ancient practice, you're not just saluting the sun, but also promoting a holistic sense of well-being, paving the way for a healthier, more balanced life. Surya Namaskar, a sequence of yoga postures synchronized with breath, indeed offers a multitude of benefits. This ancient Indian practice is more than just a workout. It's a ritual, a dance with the sun, a celebration of life itself. It's a holistic journey, a melding of the physical, mental, and spiritual elements that make up our existence. The poses stretch and strengthen various muscle groups, promote flexibility and good posture, and foster a meditative flow that aligns us with the cosmic rhythm. The cardiovascular benefits, weight management, improved digestion, and enhanced respiratory function are just the tip of the iceberg. Surya Namaskar also calms the mind, reduces stress, and improves mental well-being. It regulates hormonal balance, which is particularly beneficial for women. Incorporating Surya Namaskar into your daily routine can be a game changer for your overall health and well-being. Give it a try and experience the difference yourself.